I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in your Honda Ridgeline. This is out of a 22, and this needs to be done about every 15,000 miles. This is the filter I'm using. There's plenty of great aftermarket options. This is just one I got off AutoZone. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon, and you can get the one that fits your needs. All right, so essentially, first step you want to do is there's 3 tabs right here, and then one in the back. You want to push those out, and then lift this front half off and gain access to your air filter. You can see that one's dirty but not absolutely filthy. All right, so get your air filter, and the orientation it goes in, it's like that. All right, now you want to make sure in the back here there's 2 tabs that go into some holes right here. Let me see. So you want to make sure that these 2 tabs in the back go into these 2 slots right here and here. Alright, so once you get those in, you can feel that it's seated nicely, and you'll know if it's seated nicely or not because these tabs, you really won't be able to close them if it's not in there appropriately. That's all you need to do. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.